Okay, you guys. I wanted to show you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be just adding to what I had. Anyway, this is sea moss that I'm gonna put a link down below. Not affiliated, just a brother on YouTube. Um, Seemed to be really cool. But anyway, I purchased this from him, Akeem. But anyway, I'll put the link where I bought it from. You don't have it all the time. But anyway, I soaked this for 5 hours. I prefer the fresh sea moss than the powdered sea moss. But if you do, you're looking for the powder, then I already did a video to show you guys where you can buy that from. But anyway, soaked this for 5 hours, cleaned it very well. Let me show y'all what was in it. Because I just got a phone call. I hope I don't mess this video up by adding all this extra stuff. But let me show y'all. Hold on. Okay, after cleaning my sea moss, this is what I got, during the cleaning process. Stuff that probably didn't look good, I just cut it off. And then the other pieces, I had a long string or something on here in it. I don't know if it's on this thing, but some weird looking stuff. But this came out the sea, okay? So, yeah. You got to clean stuff properly. You don't want to be consuming, foreign substance. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for about an hour in this water. And then I'm going to blend it up. Some people, they take the water, the water that this is sitting in, and pour it out. Actually, I've done that too. Because this water will gel up as well. So you get to, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the water from out of here because I'm doing something. I'm doing something extra. I'm going to be doing this week. But I might share it with you guys. I will share it with you guys, but I might share it with you guys after the fact. But we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to take this hot water that is sitting in. I'm going to pour it off. And then I'm going to put some more water, cover it up again. And then I'm going to blend it because this water that's in here is going to gel up. And then you don't even have to do that. You don't even have to pour the water off and all of that because it's still going to be in here. I just probably might just leave it like it is and just blend it up. But let's look inside. I'm going to be posting a video to show you guys a difference in supposedly fake sea moss. And this water is hot, okay? It's already soft. It's good. But yeah, this piece is not in the water, so it's not, hadn't gotten that tender soaking. And it's look at that. You can take this and wipe it on your face and have a facial. But I want to make sure everything is under the water so it can get tender. And see this water, you see the water's a little thick. I don't know if you saw that. You see that water's a little thick. Can you see? Yeah, I can see. But you can see the gelatinous too. You can see it. Look at it on the spoon. You can see the sea moss. Partly, see now you can see it's running a little slow, right? But I'm going to leave all this in here. Instead of draining it and putting more water, no, we're going to leave it just like this. And then I'm going to blend it. I'll probably just go ahead and blend it now. We'll see. I'm in here playing with the sea moss. All right, let's let this do what it's got to do. I'm going to get me a sip of this. That's good. Okay, you guys, I want y'all to see more gelatinous. You can drink this water. I think I'm going to pour off a little bit. It haven't even been an hour yet, y'all. Drink me a little bit of this water. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, you guys, get ready to blend this up. Whoa, trying to look through the camera. Yummy, yummy. I'm not gonna waste that was in there because I'm gonna get all that out. Anyway, that's how you make your sea moss. Cap it, put it in the refrigerator. It's still hot. A little warm. Put it in your refrigerator. Then you got your sea moss ready to go, honey. Make your teas, put it in whatever pies, raw stuff, whatever your baked dishes, however you eat. Make your tea every morning. Anyway, thank you guys for watching 1,000 Roses. I hope my video ain't all over the place. I think I'm just going to put some water in here with some maple syrup or something and just make my tea right there. Bam. 1,000 Roses, one love. That's how we do it, baby. One love, one love, one love now. One love. Sea Moss Jail. It's in the house.